Welcome to another session from All About ECE Python Tutorials Beginners. So in today's session, we are going to see about swapping of two variables using Python. In swapping of variables, we have so many methods like using third variable or without using third variable, and an amazing technique only used in Python that is called a simple technique which will be used only in Python itself. So this is right. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So if you are just simply assigning A equals to B and you want to print A, then you want to print B, it doesn't matter whether it is not swapping, right? So in this case, you need not to use this one. So it means what I'm saying means you just assigning the value itself, you don't get the values of swapping, right? You cannot change the values when you are initializing. So for that we need have one technique called you need to use a third variable called temp. Generally everyone are very familiar with the word temp as we are very familiar with C++. So that using you can use any variable as you are wish. So just we are using temp as a variable. So after that I am assigning this. This is a using third party variable like a temp variable. Then if you perform the values, then you can get what is the A and B. Okay, sorry for that. Here we are assigning both the variables, right? So that's why we are getting. So I'll take another thing. Okay, wait 1 minute. So let's make A is equals to 4 and B equals to 5. I'm using a temp variable. I'm assigning to that A, and I'm assigning A equals to B, and I'm assuming B equals to temp. After performing the setup operation, I'm getting A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 4, right? A initially we have been taken 4 and B is equals to 5. It is swapped, right? Another thing, we have another notation called A equals to. So here we have A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 4, right? We have another thing also. It means another way of performing these operations also. Where you get this code, it is doesn't matter, but you want this, right? So A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 5, right? So okay, sorry, somewhere it is happened. So you leave this one. It means if you use code for this one, you need 4 means you need to have 100100. It means 3 bits. 5 means 101. It means 3 bits also. When you have performed in different case, you need to get the different values. So suppose I'm taking A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4. I need to perform the XOR operation. So it will decrease the memory operation. It means it is it does not waste the memory. Cap symbol is used for XOR operation. So when you perform the A is 4 and B is 3. So change, right? A has initially taken 3, B is equals to 4. And when we have A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 3. And one of the major and one of the suitable technique we have in Python only swapping is just simply this one. So if you print A, we'll get 3, B is 4. So here we have A is equals to 4 and 3. Again, if you assign A is B, so A we are getting B value, B we are getting A value. It means swap, right? So this is the only one of the major technique only we are using in Python itself. So in this way, swapping of two variables be done. Just recap all the things what we are discussed till now. So we have been using swapping of two variables using third variable like temp variable, and also we are using some code. So it is not working. So I'll check and I'll upload in another session. And we perform the XOR operation. If you are not familiar with XOR operation, go and watch the how the XOR operation will work. Then you understand better the things. And we use the only we have the Python tool A B is B. So in such a case, A is assigned to B, B is A is swapped to B, B is swapped to A. So only in Python it will work. So in this way, swapping of two variables is done using Python. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. And if you are not subscribed till now our channel and get the latest notifications from the About ECE, please Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from All About ECE. Thank you for watching.